Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you how to install the wall shelves on the wall above the toilet. This is my second guest bathroom that I'll be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you love home decor, decorating, or DIYs, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So I got the wood cut at Home Depot. I got these cut at 19 inches each because it's a small bathroom. I did use 3 coats of spray paint, but I've also used this white chalk paint as well. And I feel like the white chalk paint is easier because it only requires 2 coats. The spray paint and the chalk paint are both from Walmart, as well as the paintbrush. But I would recommend using the chalk paint. This is what it looks like. I did do 3 coats, like I said. Looks amazing. Now these are the brackets. They are from Home Depot, and they are from the Home Decorators collection. They have a titanium finish. To me, it's sort of like in between. It's sort of like in between a silver and gold in person. So first thing you're going to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to basically you're separating the top and the bottom part of the bracket. So this is just going to open it up is what it's doing. And the reason why it's opening it up is because you need to get to that hole to install it on the wall. So I didn't realize my camera wasn't focused, but what I'm doing is I'm marking 2 holes 16 inches apart. And I'm using this leveler to make sure that they are on the same level so my shelf won't be crooked. And the leveler is from the Dollar Tree. Once I mark the holes, mark the hole locations, I'm going to use my stud finder to see if there's a stud in the wall behind those locations, and that'll tell me whether or not I need to use one of these anchors or if I can just screw directly into the wall. So I'm not on a stud, so I'm going to use an anchor in both locations. I always put an indentation in the wall first before I put the anchor in because it's just a good way to help it to start in the wall. And I do use a drill to install the anchor, but you can use a screwdriver as well. The drill is just faster. And my drill is from Lowe's. So now I can install the bracket by going through that hole and just attaching the screw into the anchor. Do that on both sides. And now the next and final step is to install the wood shelf in between the top and the bottom of the bracket. And I just tighten it up with my Phillips head screwdriver. And that tightens the wood sort of like a sandwich in between the top and the bottom of the bracket. And that is all to it. It's very easy. Now I'm just going to show you a little styling on the shelves, but this is not the finished look because I'm still painting the vanity, and I'm still changing out the hardware and everything in here. So that'll be on the next video, but I'm just going to style the shelves for now. And just so you kind of get an idea of what color I'm going to be using and whatnot. So I'm going to put these beautiful tulips in this ginger jar on the very top shelf. The tulips are from Dollar General, and the ginger jar is from HomeGoods, and the washcloths are also from HomeGoods because I love that kind of aqua color. It's a really pretty color. But I'm just going to put a few items here. This is from HomeGoods, the peace sign. I think everything that I'm going to put on here is from HomeGoods. Live Your Best Life, that is from HomeGoods. I think that was like either $4.99 or $5.99. And I rolled some of my washcloths here in my colors, and I'm going to put it right in the center. And then finally, on top of the toilet, I'm going to put this basket here for my toilet paper. Beautiful, beautiful color. And once you see the entire bathroom, you'll kind of get an idea of where I'm going at with these colors. So that's just going to hold. This is a really small bathroom compared to the other one. So the design is going to be completely different. But guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or DIYs, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out, because that's what this channel is all about. I bought a new house and I'm making it over one room at a time. So definitely thumbs up the video, and I will see you in the next one.